You know that girl who always looks effortlessly glowy, put together, and like she drinks 3 liters of water every single day? Yep, that's the clean girl vibe. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to get that look in just few simple steps. But first, let's clear this up real quick that there is a difference between in no makeup a makeup look and the clean girl makeup look. The no makeup look is about hiding your makeup and opting for minimal no makeup look, whereas the clean girl look is about embracing minimal makeup with a polished, radiant glow. It's like you have got your life put together, even if you don't. In fact, you know what? I have been doing this clean girl makeup look for wedding parties or events, and the no makeup look for casual outings or office, even before they became trends or a thing online. But the irony is, no one is giving me credits. Anyways, the main question is if this clean girl makeup look is still trending in 2025. The answer is yes. The clean girl look is still trending in 2025, but it has evolved slightly. Now it is less about copying certain looks like Hailey Bieber or Sophia Richie it exactly started with, and has become more about personalized minimalism like dewy skin, neutral tones, and embracing your own skin and features in your way. So yes, the clean girl aesthetic is still a go-to for every day because it's quick, wearable, and aligns with the ongoing skin first movement. The intro has already been really long, so now with that being said, if you want to learn how to get that clean girl glowy that girl kind of face, then please keep on watching.
First, I'm tying my hair into a sleek ponytail because clean girl look is all about neatness. Like always, I prepped my skin already, and for that, I used these products. All skincare and makeup product will be linked in the description box, so don't worry. I will start with a juicy glow boosting moisturizer because clean girl skin always looks hydrated and healthy. So I will use this one from Hyphen. It has glitter particles in it for that glowy skin from within. To hide imperfection, pigmentation and achieve even tone, I am going to use a skin tint instead of a foundation. If you want, you can also use a BB cream, a CC cream or a foundation that gives dewy yet lightweight coverage. You can also combine your step 1 and 2 together and mix your highlighter with foundation or skin tint, and in case you feel hungry in between, keep eating guys. For blush, I'm going to use this Summer Slush from Rene and softly dab it on my cheeks as well as a little bit on the nose to bring back that fresh flush vibe. I'm going to use a little extra because blushes tend to mellow down their pigmentation after some time. So I'm applying a little extra. Contouring and bronzing is completely optional, but I will do it because I have full cheeks and I want to bring that structure back to my skin and face. So a little cream contour will warm up my face without making it look too done. Also, I'm using my hands to blend everything because it will make sure that everything looks natural and doesn't go very over the top. Again, brows are optional too, but I will not skip this time because today neat, fluffy and natural is the goal. Now I will lightly set my under eyes and T-zone to avoid creasing but skip the rest to keep that glow intact. A wash of soft brown or neuron lids keeps it simple and softly defined. So I'm going to pick this bronzer shade from my contour palette and with very light hands I will cover my eyelids. It's time to add one coat of mascara. We want lifted fluttery lashes, not drama at all. If you want, you can also curl your lashes before applying mascara. Tap a subtle highlighter on the high points like cheekbones, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid bows, and chin. I will apply it with my fingers again and blend really nicely for natural effect. For lips, I was confused between these two lip glosses, so I thought to layer these both. Try a natural lip tint or gloss to keep the lips looking juicy, not heavy. Again, I blend the first shade with my fingers to make it look natural, and on top of it, I applied a juicy lip gloss. And I absolutely love how this blend of two lip glosses turned out to be. To finish the look, I'm using a setting spray that gives glow and lock in the freshness to keep my skin looking alive.
the clean girl makeup look is done. Super simple, fresh and perfect for any day you want to look effortlessly put together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. The handle name will be mentioned on the screen. I will see you in my next video. Till then guys, stay safe, stay happy and stay glam. Bye. Namaste.